A silent flash, a cosmic death beam, and then the sky burns. It starts with no warning, no flare, no rumble, no light you can see with your eyes. A massive star, billions of light years away, collapses into itself. Its core compresses into a black hole, and in that final violent breath, it unleashes the most powerful explosion the universe can produce. A gamma-ray burst. Two ultra-focused beams of pure energy tear through the cosmos, blasting outward at nearly the speed of light. One of them is headed directly at Earth. And then, without even knowing, we're hit. Gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs, are not explosions in the traditional sense. They're cosmic death rays, narrow beams of high-energy radiation that can stretch across entire galaxies. If one were to strike Earth, especially from close range, say within 10,000 light-years, the results wouldn't just be catastrophic. They'd be extinction level. The moment it arrives, there's no time to react. The gamma rays slice into our upper atmosphere, shattering molecules like glass. Oxygen and nitrogen, normally stable and life-sustaining, are ripped apart. In their place, a haze of nitrogen oxides, chemical chains that do one terrible thing very efficiently: destroy ozone. Within moments, Earth's ozone layer collapses. Our shield, our invisible barrier against the sun's ultraviolet radiation, is gone. Within hours, sunlight becomes lethal. UVB rays pour down in full force, sterilizing the surface. Crops begin to wither, skin burns, eyes blister. The ocean's surface heats and sterilizes, killing plankton, the foundation of the marine food chain. But that's just the start. The gamma-ray burst blinds satellites and fries electronics in low Earth orbit. Power grids flicker, GPS vanishes, communications cut out. It feels like a global cyber attack, but in truth, it's something far worse: nature's own electromagnetic pulse. Across the globe, the sky begins to change. As nitrogen oxides build in the stratosphere, they scatter sunlight into eerie colors. A reddish haze overtakes the daylight. Strange sunsets follow. But this is no beauty. It's a chemical warning. Earth's atmosphere is sick. And then comes the climate collapse. The sudden injection of high-energy particles and chemical compounds into the sky disrupts global weather. Temperatures plummet. Rain cycles falter. Crops fail. We enter what scientists call a gamma-ray winter, a sudden cooling event that mimics the effects of a nuclear war or asteroid impact. Billions of people depend on predictable seasons. Agriculture, water systems, and global trade all shatter under the weight of uncertainty. Insects die, animals starve, societies panic, and all of it, every death, every fire, every collapse, began with a flash no human eye could see. But how likely is this? Thankfully, not very. Gamma-ray bursts are rare, and most happen in distant galaxies. The odds of a GRB occurring close enough and aimed precisely at Earth are low, but not zero. Scientists have identified candidate stars, like WR104, a Wolf-Rayet star about 7/10⁵ light-years away, that could produce a burst. If its rotational axis is pointed at us, we're in the line of fire. And here's the terrifying part: we'd never see it coming. A gamma-ray burst moves at the speed of light. There's no early detection, no warning, no time to prepare. The light and the destruction arrive simultaneously. Could we survive? Some life deep in the oceans, or buried underground, might endure. Bacteria, extremophiles, and simple organisms could adapt. But surface life, including humans, would face a long, brutal extinction. Recovery would take millennia, if at all. And what about civilization? History tells us we panic easily. Power outages, crop failures, mass communication breakdowns, these alone can destabilize governments. A sudden, unexplained cosmic event could trigger chaos, riots, conspiracy theories, martial. Even if the initial impact doesn't kill us, what comes next might. So what if a gamma-ray burst hit Earth right now? We'd be erased by light, the most energetic kind the universe has ever created. Our atmosphere, our crops, our systems, all undone in moments. Not by war, not by choice, but by a star billions of years dead, still reaching across space to end up.